Assalamualaikum teman-teman, kembali lagi di channelku, Muhajirin Manusia Gagal Ganteng dan Terancam Kaya.
Doc, what's up?
We have a problem.
What kind of problem?
Well, I designed this car for one of our wealthiest industrialists. It's a very special car.
So why do I have the feeling this story doesn't have a good ending?
It wouldn't exactly pass customs, so I had the parts shipped here separately. I figured nobody would notice.
And?
Somebody noticed. Actually, it feels like everybody noticed. The base model arrives today, and every gang in Hong Kong's out to get it.
All right, let me guess. If 18K or one of the other triads builds this car...
Catastrophe. I did take some precautions, though. I brought in a bunch of look-alike cars as decoys. Will you help me?
All right, well, how do I tell the real ones from the decoys?
It's the one that doesn't blow up when you drive it.
Well, that's just great. That's just out. This one's not it. Another one? Come on, come on.
helped you out, Wei.
What?
I've installed a cell and radio scanner. You should be able to pick up the signals of anyone chasing you. It's a bit wonky though, so I really can't tell you what else you'll get. The next version will have all leather in here.
So why not ship the car all at once?
Import restrictions. Technically, we're not supposed to send this to China.
We're not in China, we're in Hong Kong.
You want to make that point to the U.S. State Department? Also, Special Branch doesn't want the mainland to know.
Wait a minute, you guys are worried about China? I thought the point was...
Theoretically, they leave us alone. But if they like the car enough, who knows? Best if nobody knows we have it. Or if they do know, they can claim that they don't. That way, everybody saves face. We get our car, nobody else gets embarrassed. This is the Hong Kong way. You should know that by now. Long as it never hits the papers, we can act as if we're independent. But if it starts to look like we're independent...
Alright, I get it. Jesus, Ricky, what's happening?
It's the 18K. They're all over the damn place. They're trying to kill Uncle Po.
Paul?
I don't know.
Where the is Uncle Paul?
He's over there.
Who's that at?
Hey, Uncle. We're always right. Shoot your face off.
You're gonna shoot my face off? For some reason, I just think that happened.
Hey, check out that guy. He looks like one of them. Ah! 將佢斬成兩咯！
有槍啊！有槍啊！屌，有槍啊！
同我喐佢！喐死佢啊！打死佢！屌爆佢啊！
Whoa, easy. 18K shut off the power.
Uncle Poe is on life support. If we don't get backup power running right away, he won't make it.
Okay, look, there's a control station down the hall. I'm on it.
These guys are beginning to annoy me. Can we lock this place up?
I'll take care of it.
I got you covered.
你兩個仆
right, I'm coming back.
Wait, give me a hand. More of them! Over here! I got you covered! They're coming in behind us! Come on! I think we're clear.
That was close. Nice work.
No, man. We just got lucky.
Where was our backup? Man, who was looking out for us?
No one ever looks out for you in this town. I don't know, man. Feels like the game has changed. Used to be a brotherhood. There was a code. Even amongst rival triads. Now we're killing each other at weddings. Even in a hospital. And for what? Let's get out of here. More cops.
Kiddo! 무력!
There's a lot of them.
I'm beginning to dislike it.
Fuck! What the fuck are you doing? There's a lot of them.
I'm beginning to dislike it.
What are you doing? I think we're clear now. I'm glad you showed up, Wei.
I appreciate you calling me. So what's next?
It's up to Uncle Bo. But I'm guessing war.
Yeah, but against who? Those guys were 18K. I'm starting to wonder. A lot of people stand to benefit if Uncle Bo never leaves the hospital.
He might walk out of there alive.
I hope so. And when Dog Eyes is gone, and this shit keeps happening, it might be that someone... Look, I'll drop you here. Cops might be watching the place. Hey, Ricky, keep it tight. There aren't that many decent guys left in this gang.
All right. See you. Bye.
屌，女嘅嘢斬佢兩個甩晒啦！
咁嘅男人又真係慘啊！有上進心係好，但係做嘢做到冇時間陪佢咧。
The new shipment of parts is arriving at the Kennedy Town docks. Get down there before the 18K steal them.
Son of...
They're getting away! Don't let them get those parts! Those are key to the car! Stop them! Use the EMP. You can cause them to lose control. It fries their electronics. They can't steer.
How's your insurance, punk? Đi vào! Ủa anh kìa!
not a patient man right now.
Well, look who decided to join us.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
Come on in.
You sure you don't want to f a little before you start? It's no problem at all. I'll just have to swing by your hotel on the way to the studio.
Nah, man, I'm good. We could do a photo shoot or whatever, and look, I'm sure it'd be fun and all, but that's not why I'm here, dude.
You don't know what you're missing. This baby will f in a way your wife never could.
Sonny, this is Wei. Wei? The infamous Sonny Woe.
That's me. Infamous and notorious. Glad you could come by. Ricky's told me all about you. This is King.
What's good?
He's producing Vivian Liu's next big hit.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot, man.
Wei here's the real deal. A bona fide tried killer from the streets. Cleavers, guns, castrations, whatever you want.
Okay.
Wei, why don't you take King out on the town and show him around?
Yeah, anytime.
It's like one big playground, man. Nothing's off limits. You want to pick up some girls, get nasty, done. And with Wei, no one will bother you. Nobody. With Sun On Yi.
Yeah, well, I mean, actually, that sounds all right. If you don't mind showing me around.
Yeah, sure.
I wish I could go with you players, but business calls.
All right, cool, man. Yo, it was real nice to meet you, Sonny. Let's hit the streets.
Let's do it.
Ricky, listen to this. I've been thinking. We need to get her a movie role of some sort.
Hey, I think we'll start at the K-Bar. The VIP room should give us what we need.
Hey, it's your town, man.
So you producing for Sonny?
Yeah, just this one time. Man, that guy's a piece of work.
He's a f***ing clown, you ask me.
I'm glad you said it first.
But he does good business, makes everyone a lot of money. But as far as his personality goes...
Good to know we're on the same page. Fact is, I got some other business to discuss. But I don't think my partners back in the States would want to be in bed with that guy.
What kind of business?
I got friends, guys I grew up with. They got a real good import and retail thing going. They could use a good Hong Kong angle. Access to that good Asian product, you feel me? It's the reason I took the producing gig was I heard Vivian and her label had connections.
Who they are? To me.
Well then, I guess this is gonna be like one of them old school business meetings. Where you show me around town and try to figure out if we're a good fit.
We are, man. K-Bar.
Good evening, gentlemen.
We'd like the VIP karaoke room.
It's right this way.
It's nice seeing you.
Yo, hold up. Now don't tell me you and me are gonna sing to each other. I mean, I'm here for the local flavor, but not that local.
Let me find us the right kind of audience. Hey there, what's your name?
Katushka!
I'm Wei. So listen, I saw you looking at my friend and I figured you realize he's a famous American celebrity. And I just wanted to ask if you mind keeping it a secret.
Ooh, how can I say no?
Well, if you're not doing anything, maybe I can buy you silence with a drink. Want to join us?
That's very nice of you.
So you're from Russia?
Yes. How'd you guess?
Ah, call it a hunch.
Oh, you.
They want the drugs, but how would they get these drugs in the first place without us?
Here, have a seat. I'm gonna find a few more people to join us. Hello, ladies.
Hey, Mr. VIP! Want to buy us girls a drink?
I don't know. My friend and I gonna enjoy your company?
Try us on and see what you get.
All right. Why don't you join my friend in there? I'll be in a second.
See, like I said, I make a lot of money.
You okay, miss?
Wait, poor guy, that's my girl, so why don't you?
Hey, you're drunk.
Better watch it, boy.
Guy seemed like he was getting a little pushy.
We get that a lot.
You work here?
Yes.
So, you allowed to join the customers for a drink?
Oh, that sounds nice.
By the way, I'm Wei.
I don't think I've seen you here before. I'm Ilyana.
Yeah, I usually don't come to places like this. I'm here for my friend.
Well, if you ever want to hang out at places not like this, let me know.
I'd like that. Can I call you?
Thanks. Give me a call sometime.
Hello. 仲有日日，我着呢啲靚
Damn, Way. Who knew Hong Kong was full of such beautiful women?
Friendly too.
How do you not know Hong Kong have beautiful girls? You just had to come to the right place.
Well, I expect you girls to make sure King never makes that mistake again.
You can count on us, baby. We love American men. Don't we, Tina?
All right, Way. Why don't you show us what you got?
Come on, Wei. Let's see those lungs.
Well, I'll show you mine if you show me yours.
That was so good.
Impressive! Oh, yeah! Hey, Way! Hey, come get a picture of this, will you? Way here has been promising me a taste of Hong Kong.
I'll give you a taste.
You know, in the States, I'd have... Yeah! Nice! Oh, yeah! Bring it, baby! Come on, let's bounce. Yeah, you know what? You give good tourists, Way.
Well, it's my town, least I can do.
Yo, Way, don't think I'll forget that, man. Come on, my people will like you, huh? You got the right feel. Shit. Too many motherfuckers think all you gotta do is jump bad and wear the right colors. Nah, business is a business. You feel me? You gotta be in it with the right people. Yeah, I can see you fitting right in the States even. Yeah, if you ever want to change the scenery.
I'll keep that in mind.
There you are. I've been waiting for you, a single guy.
Stand back, King.
Stand back! You crazy? This is icing on the cave.
等我話你知咩叫眼前一黑啊！
哇！你睇唔睇到啊？
瞄準啊！
Damn. That's some nasty ass shit you got going on. Remind me not to f with you. Alright, so listen, man. I'm going back in a week or so, alright? I'll tell my boys I got the man for 'em.
All right.
They'll want to start slow, but I'm guessing they can move as much product as you can ship. But this could be huge, man. These boys got some big ideas, too. I'm talking all the legit shit their money goes into. Gotta go somewhere. You feel me? And the feds back home are really cracking down. Brothers might be looking for a little offshore stash. Yeah. And the man who set that up and kept it safe, yeah, he'd have a whole river of green to deal with. You feel me?
Well, I could swing that for you. I still got contacts stateside who could set up the other side of things.
Hell yeah. Yo, you ever work in movies, Wade?
Nah, too much bullshit. I mean, look at Sonny Walk.
Nah, man. Come on, that's what's good about it. Everybody's a fucking moron. You come in with muscle and money, and you too can call the shots.
You got a point. All right, here you go.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Really. It's real cool to meet you. We'll see you around.
Yeah, for sure. Hopefully first night of many.
Well, then. Looks like this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
All right, man. Take care. I found one of your statues.
The rooster. Good, good. You don't look well, Wei. Is everything all right?
No, Sifu.
What do you plan to do about it?
It is what it is.
So if your punches are weak, that means they're destined to be weak? Or is it true that through practice and concentration, you can change?
Some problems are harder to solve than a weak punch, Sifu.
Watch my students for a minute. You may change your mind. What would you like to learn? Have you learned nothing? Have you forgotten everything? Your left wing. Your other left wing. right? Oh, that's awful. Abysmal. Somewhere your ancestors are crying. Why? I see you worship Wang Sung, god of weakness. Please stop by again if you find one of my statues.
老細，3件呢個唔該。
話你知啊，你實死硬你啊！乜嘢啊？舊居咪開過咯。50 dollars。我等我呢日好耐㗎啦。
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, komen, dan share, juga nyalakan loncengnya, agar kalian tidak ketinggalan. Sekian dan terima kasih, dan nantikan video selanjutnya.